So today I wanted to talk a little bit about the bonding adhesive that really launched it all for us. I mean, we've been manufacturing hair adhesives for years, since 1994. But when we finally got our hands on the technology to complete the formulation, which we had in the, we had on hand for, 10 years prior, Ghost Bond Classic is where it started. So let me take a minute to explain to you why this product is so good and how it revolutionized the hair replacement industry. So Ghost Bond Classic is truly the adhesive that revolutionized everything as far as water-based adhesives go. The reason for this is that it is the first formulation in the hair replacement industry that can truly attest to being completely water resistant once it's left to cure correctly, and it is completely safe for skin. There's no harmful chemicals or toxins in it like toluene, xylene, hexane. All of these derivatives of gasoline, which can be actually found in a lot of the adhesives being used in the marketplace today. So the application of Ghost Bond is actually, quite flexible. We have some studios and individuals who use it who apply 2 coats. We always recommend 4 thin coats. And the reason we recommend 4 thin coats is that each thin layer is actually an extra layer of resistance that's built up against the penetration of oil, sweat, and water. And when it's left to correctly cure on the skin, you can go swimming, your days out on the beach, you're working out, you're exercising. Some people can even get away with using it in saunas. It really depends. There's a lot of different variables and external environmental influences that can really, tell how long you're going to get from a hold or how far you can stretch it. But ultimately, if you're looking for that safe, effective product, Ghost Bond Classic is where it's at. So whether you're a licensed cosmetologist, whether you're a business, whether you're an online reseller, we can assist you in any capacity. Simply reach out to us. If you don't already carry this product, you're missing out. You can get in touch with us today to open an account, or if you're a home user using it for your own use, feel free to get in touch if you have any questions. We're always there at the end of the phone or at the end of email to assist.